Hi guys, the new session has begun. So I have brought the summary of our very first chapter of class ninth, that is the fun they had. Okay, so welcome to the world of English, and we are not going to do the summary of this chapter only, whereas we are going to do the theme and message also. So, in short, we are going to see everything, we are going to understand everything about this chapter. Okay, so watch the video till end. Without much ado, let's get started. Summary of the chapter, the fun they had. Tommy finds a real book which has been printed on paper in the attic of his house. So, attic is a place, is a space just below the roof to store the things. So, we all have these kind of places in our house. So, from there, he received or he got a real book which has been printed on paper. He shows the book to Margie. Margie is his sister. Together, they both take a look at it and they are watching, they are seeing, observing this real book. The book is really old and pages are yellow and crinkly. So, now the book is, or the condition of book is shown here. It is looking very old, pages are yellow and has cracks. Okay, it is having wrinkles. In the year 2157, this kind of books doesn't exist anymore, and now you must be wondering why the term real book is written here, because according to them, or in the year when they are living, it is 2157, so it is 22nd century. Okay, and in the 22nd century the concept of books will not be there, so these kind of books doesn't exist anymore, and these two students, or these brother and sister Tommy and Margie, they do not have access of real books because they are living in 2157, and this is the century when books are not existing anymore. In this time, words are moving on a television screen. How they are learning? On the on the television screen, they are seeing everything and they are learning through television screen. This television contains over a million of books. That is the reason Tommy thinks that they are much better, and here Tommy has a sense that they are in a much better condition. Margie inquires what it is about. Okay, so Margie is inquiring, or Margie is asking her brother, what is it about? Tommy says that it is about school. Margie hates school and cannot understand why someone would write about it. So Margie is not having a great rapport or great connection with her studies. So she doesn't like the concept of school. She hates school and cannot understand why someone would be writing about it. She is having problems with learning geography from her mechanical teacher. See what kind of setup is there in 2157 when they are having mechanical teachers. Mechanical teacher is there, a machine is there in one particular room, and they go there, they learn there in the room. Lonely they are not having company of other students like us, and due to that it is a very I would say it is not an interesting one. That's why Margie hates the concept of school. Margie hates school. It is black, large, and has a screen on it. Now, mechanical teacher is described here. It is black, it is large, and it has a screen on it. So, television screen is there. It is black, it is large, and on mechanical teacher they are learning all the subjects. It teaches the students, gives them exercises, asks them questions, all in a special room in their own house. So now the setup is shown here. It teaches the students, gives them exercise. So all these things which we have in the building of school, like we are taught in the school as students. We are given exercises by our teachers, we are asked some questions, and all happens in the building of school, whereas it is happening in the special room and at the same time in their own house. So this is the basic difference. When we are having a physical building in 21st century, in 22nd century, this is the futuristic view, how the things will be taking place, and how students will remain in their house, and there will be a special room, and this is how the learning will take place. It can also calculate the marks in no time. So this mechanical teacher calculates the marks also without taking time. Margie hates the slot where she has to insert her homework or test papers. So she doesn't like to do homework and to give test papers. Once the geography sector of her mechanical teacher has geared too quick so that her marks are getting worse and worse. What is happening? Her mechanical teacher has geared too quick, so it is going very fast. The speed of mechanical teacher was so fast, so she couldn't match the speed of mechanical teacher, and the result was that her marks were getting worse and worse. Okay, so up till now we have seen Tommy and Margie have come across a real book which is there in our century. If I talk about our century, which is going on, that is 21st century. So we have the concept of real books. We are using textbooks. We are going to a building of school where we have our teachers, those who teach us particular subjects. For example, mathematics teachers, English teachers, and for other subjects, other teachers are there, and we have a social setup when the students of same age are sitting in one room and they are taught all the subjects, whereas the scene is different. Here in this chapter, when the kids are belonging to the 22nd century, the year is 2157. They do not like the concept of schooling, they do not like mechanical teacher, and one very prominent feature which is shown here, that they are learning on their own speed. Okay, it is not happening in our time when we are learning with all the other peer mates, all the other students, and teacher is teaching at one speed, and all the kids are learning up to that speed. Okay, so these are in this paragraph we have seen some of the unique features which present the futuristic way, that what is going to happen in the future, what kind of schools will be there in comparison to our time. Now let's see what's there in this chapter. After seeing this paragraph, some of the things are also given here, that is, the county inspector slows it after 1 hour. As I have told you that the mechanical teacher, the television screen on which she is learning geography, is it was going sorry, it was going very fast, it was so quick, and Margie couldn't match the speed of that mechanical teacher. So county inspector comes and he slows down the speed of mechanical teacher after 1 hour. He is really nice to Margie. She hopes that her mechanical teacher would be away for a long time, and she was hoping that it couldn't be corrected and it could take long time so that she could not do geography for some time. Tommy says that the book which he has found is not about their school, their type of school. It is about centuries, or about school centuries ago. Now Tommy discovers that this is the book, and it does not talk about the type, about their type of school, but it is somewhat different, and somewhere it is related with the centuries ago. Maybe it could be of 20th century or 21st century. they find out that students back then has a man as a teacher who taught the girls and boys and gave them homework and asked them the questions. And here he finds out that they had man as a teacher who used to teach girls and boys and who used to give them homework, asked some questions also. They had a special building and they learned the same thing if they were of same age. Okay, so as I have told you that he is talking about the special building which 20th or 21st century has. And uh, they learned, that means kids or students learn the same thing if they were of same age. For example, as you are in ninth standard, so you must be having all the students, all your peer mates, approximately of 13 or 14 years of age. Okay, so kids who are of same age, they are sitting at one place in one room, and teachers are coming off and teaching various subjects. So this is how the things which are there in 20th or 21st century, as we are here in this 21st century. At first, Margie does not understand how a person could be a teacher and how the students were taught the same thing, because her mother says that education must fit each child's mind, but these schools are funny and she wants to read more about it. So at first, we came to know that Margie does not understand how a person could be a teacher. Okay, so as she has mechanical teacher, they both are taught by mechanical teacher. So Margie here could not understand how a person can be a school teacher or can be a teacher. How the students were taught the same thing, and on top of that, it is unbelievable by her or for her, because her mother says that education must fit each child's mind. Okay, so her mother has a thinking that each child has different capacity to learn. Some are quick learners, some are slow learners. So accordingly, child should be uh, learned or should be taught. But these schools are funny, and she wants to read more about it. Now she is becoming interested to know about the schools in the centuries ago. Then it is time for Margie and Tommy for their school. Margie goes to the school room in her house where the mechanical teacher stands. It is already on because the lessons are always at regular hours. So, at regular hours, they are attending the school, they are sitting in the one special room where they attend their school. And now it's time to go, because for particular hours, regular hours, they have to be there. She was thinking about the old school system and how much fun the children must have learning and spending time together. Okay, now she is in her dreams and she is having vision, what kind of things were there or had to be there in old school system, and how much fun the children must have learning and spending time together, which is missing in the era of 22nd century. Okay, so this is the summary of this chapter, the fun they had. Now let's see the theme. The main theme in the story, in the short story, the fun they had, is that of education. That we all know that a comparison is shown in this chapter, and the theme, if we say, it is about education. More specifically, the narrative deals with the future of education, which will become increasingly computerized and estranged from social interactions. And those of the students who have read this chapter must be agreeing that after the outbreak of COVID, we have also gone through the same situation when we had to sit at our home and we had to attend online classes. So there we had the glimpse of this 22nd century, that what is going to happen in the future. So we have seen that how all these things have been computerized increasingly, and strangely we were deprived of social interactions. Okay, so this is shown in the chapter. And now let's see the message which comes out after reading this chapter. The author's message is one of warning against the dangers of computerized homeschooling, which deprives children of the benefits of the personal interactions between students and teachers, which help them to develop many social skills. Okay, so this is the message, that if the schooling is computerized, and will be, or the children will be deprived of personal interactions, when they will not be able to interact directly face to face with other students and teachers as well, which help them to develop many social skills. And when we interact with each other, we are a socially different person. So these kind of things will be missing if homeschooling would be there, and computerization of schooling would be there. Okay, so these were the things about this chapter. I hope you have liked the video, and do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if you're new to the channel, do subscribe it. And friends, go to the description box also and do check out the other videos which are based on the other chapters of class 9th also. So go there and see, have the better understanding of all these upcoming chapters in this subject English. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.